Hi everyone. Today we'll be discussing about logarithms. So first we'll just discuss that what logarithms are, what they actually mean, and then we'll just do a few examples so that you can get a clear understanding of logarithms. So before delving right into what logarithms are, let us discuss a few examples. Suppose there's an example and I ask you, what is the value of x? In this problem, suppose I ask you if 10 raised to power x is equals to 100, so what will be the value of x? Okay, so by simply looking at the equation, you could say that the value of x is 2. Okay, now let's take another example. Suppose I ask you, what is the value of x in this case? So you can directly say that the value of x is 3 because when 10 is raised to the power 3, then we get 1000. Okay, so in these examples, you can just directly find out the value of the exponent by just looking at the expression, right? Now suppose I ask you, what is the value of x in this equation? So you'll be like, no, I cannot calculate it just by looking at it, right? In these cases, we can just see that the value of x can be found out by just looking at these expressions. But here, you cannot find out the value of x just by looking at this expression. So, for finding out the exponent of such questions or such equations, we take the help of logarithms. Okay, so to find out the power or the exponent of an expression which you cannot find just by directly looking at them, we use logs. Logarithms or logs. Logs is just the short form of logarithms. Okay, so the symbol of logs is LOG. Okay, in short form, you can write, or as an abbreviation, you can write logarithms as LOG. So suppose you have to find out the value of x in this case, 10 raised to the power x is equals to 20. So with the help of logs, we can find out the value of x. So we'll write log of 20 to the base 10. The number which we are writing just beside this log is known as the base. So we say it as log 20 base 10 is equals to x. Okay. So here, this expression means that base to the power x is equals to 20. So what we can see that logarithms are just the rearrangement of exponents, right? If we rearrange the exponent form, we can get a logarithmic form. Okay, so in this form, log 20 to the base 10 is equals to x. It is formed like that. So here, 10 is known as the base, 20 is known as your argument, and x is known as your exponent. Okay, so let's write these equations in the logarithmic form. So we have 10 raised to the power x is equals to 100. Okay, so we know that this is 10 square is equals to 100. So if we had to write this in logarithmic form, it will be log of argument to the base 10 is equals to 2. It simply means that when 10 is raised to the power of 2, you'll get 100. So it is just a rearrangement of the exponent form. Similarly, in this case, if we have to write 10 cube is equals to 1000 in logarithmic form, we write it as log of 1000 to the base 10 is equals to 3. So we can just confirm it by seeing that 10 raised to the power of 3 equals 1000. Thank you. I hope you understand it. Thank you.